If you've ever hesitated to film because you don't have a fancy equipment, or maybe you thought your video quality wasn't good enough, well, let me tell you a little secret. Just shoot with your front camera, no one cares. The message and connection matter more than your equipment. Let's explore why you should grab your phone and start creating without overthinking. 1. The power of authenticity. First off, let's talk about authenticity. Audiences today crave for realness, okay? They want to connect with you and not some polished version of yourself. Filming with your front camera can create a more genuine and relatable vibe that resonates with your viewers. Now think about it. Some of the most successful videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts are shot on phones. People appreciate the real and unfiltered content because it feels relatable. You don't need a professional setup to show who you really are. When I started my channel, I was so caught up in making everything perfect. I would struggle, film with my back camera when I couldn't even see myself. Sometimes I realized the video wasn't even filming, and then I would have to start all over again, and then I would try to edit my videos like a pro. But one day I decided to just shoot with my front camera, and the video turned out to be so good. 2. Focus on the content and not the tech. Next, let's discuss the content itself. At the end of the day, it's the message you convey that truly matters. Your ideas, your personality, your stories are what will keep people coming back for more, not the technical specs of your camera. Now, when you shoot with your front camera, you can focus on whatever you're saying instead of worrying about whether your lighting is perfect or I can't see myself. What if the video is not recording? It allows you to be in the moment and share your thoughts and connect with your audience on a deeper level. 3. Ease of use. Another fantastic benefit of using your front camera is convenience. Your phone is always with you, making it easier for you to capture spontaneous moments or ideas whenever inspiration strikes. Imagine you're out on a go and a great idea pops into your head. You can whip out your phone and shoot a great video without any hassle. At this point, there is no need for any bulky gear, elaborate setups. It's all about seizing the moment. 4. Your viewers don't care. Here's the kicker. Your viewers do not really care about the quality of your camera. They are tuning in for your personality, insights, and the value you provide. It's about building a connection, okay? And that can simply happen by you simply using your front camera to make your videos. And if I told you I am using my front camera to make all my videos, would you believe me? Would you believe me? Many successful creators have embraced this mindset, okay? They've shown us that it's perfectly fine to shoot with whatever you have. In fact, it often leads to more engagement because people feel like they are right there with you. I once watched a vlog from a popular creator who filmed everything with her phone. The quality wasn't that perfect and her personality shone through. I mean, there were a lot of engagement. People were tuning in and hailing her. That reminded me that I didn't need a fancy equipment to connect with my audience. It's all about the content. Number 5, getting started today. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, turn on that front camera and start shooting. Don't overthink it. Just express yourself, share your thoughts, and have fun with the process. And remember, the most important thing is to get started. Sometimes you don't need a script or a plan to get started. Just let your thoughts flow and trust your instincts. The more you create, the more comfortable you become in front of your camera. When I started, I scripted a video and I shot it with my phone, and guess what? I am still using my phone, and I'm using not only my phone but my front camera to shoot all my videos, and it has been liberating. Over time, I found my style and I've learned to connect with the audience I have. Just remember, perfection is not the goal, progress is. So stop stressing about your equipment and start embracing what you have. The front camera on your phone can just be a powerful tool for creativity and connectivity. So just shoot with your front camera. No one cares about the tech. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on content creation, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, authenticity wins every time. So go out there, create, and have fun. Until next time, keep shooting.